have to be careful walking in roofs. Further to that last video, I just stood on this, right? Because I looked at that and I thought that went through underneath this ducting to the other side, right? Because there's a bit of timber there, right? And I thought that went through, right? But stood on that and look, it's not even nailed down on the other end, right? So that's where it's very dangerous getting through roofs sometimes. Gotta be very careful what you walk on. Anyway, so yeah, I'll get through over here. That there's again not much in there. Sorry, I've got to move the camera around a fair bit. Well, I'm trying to hold on. So I'm just working my way over to the garage area. So this is the garage area here, through underneath here. So that's another downlight. At least the downlight's nice and clean. Okay. So again, you can see over here, I shouldn't be able to see that much of those joists all the way along there. Everywhere I look in this roof, it's pretty light on, right? See all the joists there, right? And it's the thermal lag time that you look at. They haven't even put any in the top of the cupboard there, so that cupboard will be hot. But anyway, so over in here, this is a long way from the manhole, and so tends not to get done as well as the rest of the job. But you can see there's a batten there where there's just no product. Batten in that bay, you know. So anywhere I can see a batten, there's only 20 millimeters. Another batten there, right? Up in here, if we move around some more, there you go. See those bays there? They don't even have any insulation in that very corner bay.